Hello everyone, this is Saksham Tiwari here, and today we are going to discuss about the probability. What is probability and how it is related to our daily life? Probability is basically the numerical representation of the chances of a particular event to happen. So let's discuss everything in very simple way with the help of examples, and we will discuss each and every keyword we are using in our discussion with the help of examples. So first thing is outcome or total outcome. Let's take an example. You appeared in an examination. There are two possibilities. One is you will pass, and another you might be fail. So, being pass is one outcome and being fail is another outcome. So, how many total outcomes are there? There are two total outcomes. Let's take one more example. While playing the Ludo, you throw dice. You may get one as top of the dice, or two, or three, or four, or five, or six. So getting 1 is one outcome, getting 2 is another outcome, and getting 3 is another outcome. 4 is also an outcome, 5 and 6 is also an outcome. In this case, how many total outcomes are there? There are 6 outcomes. Now, another word is favorable outcome. What is favorable outcome? So, the outcomes for which you are looking in the question, or the question has asked to find the probability of that particular outcome. For example, the question is while throwing the dice, what is the probability of getting a number less than 3? So when we throw the dice, what are the number we are getting which are less than 3? It is 1 or 2. So total number of favorable outcome, number of favorable outcome is 2, 1 or 2. And what is total outcome? Total outcome is 6. Now, how to find the probability? The formula for probability is favorable outcome upon total outcome. Let's discuss some questions to make it crystal clear. Here is a question. A coin is tossed, then find the probability of getting a head. So, the formula for probability is favorable outcome upon total outcome. In this particular case, number of favorable outcome will be 1, because when we toss the coin, we might get head or tail. So getting head is only one time. So favorable outcome is 1 and total outcome is 2, because it might be head or it might be tail. Both the events will be counted in total outcome. So favorable outcome is 1 and total outcome is 2. So the probability will be 1, that is favorable outcome, upon 2, that is total outcome. So the probability for getting a head in tossing a coin is 1 upon 2. Let's take one another question. We thrown a dice, then find the probability of getting a number greater than 3. In this case, we thrown a dice. We might get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. In this particular case, what are the outcomes which are greater than 3? It might be 4, might be 5, might be 6. So, in this case, 3 numbers are there which are greater than 3. So, the favorable outcome in this particular case is 3 and total outcome will be 6. So what is the probability? According to the formula, favorable outcome upon total outcome. So for favorable outcome is 3 and total outcome is 6. So the probability will be 1 upon 2. We will cancel them by 3. So we will get 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is the probability in this case. It means there are 50% chances or half chances of getting a number greater than 3 in throwing the dice. Let's take next question. Next question is find the probability of getting a number divisible by 3. In this case, what are the numbers on dice which are divisible by 3? It is 3 itself or 6. So in this particular case, what is the favorable outcome? Favorable outcome is 2. And what is total outcome? Total outcome is 6. So according to the formula, favorable outcome upon total outcome, it is favorable outcome 2 upon total outcome 6. We have the probability as 1 upon 3. It means probability of getting a number divisible by 3 is 1 upon 3. Let's move ahead with another question. The question is, from a well shuffled deck of cards, a card is drawn out, then find the probability of getting a heart card. It means while taking out a card from the deck, what is the probability that the card we have picked out is the card of heart? So let's first discuss what is the deck and how many different cards are there. There are total 52 cards and 13 of heart in red color, 13 of diamond in red color, 13 of spade in black color and club 13 cards in black color. So what is the favorable outcome for this question? It means we have 13 cards of heart. So favorable outcome will be 13 and total outcome, it means total number of cards is 52. So what is the probability of getting a heart is favorable outcome, that is 13 upon 52, that is total outcome. So the probability of getting a heart card by picking out from the deck is 1 upon 4. Okay, one more thing. There are two more cases, that is sure event and impossible event. It means suppose the question said that while throwing a dice, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 7? There is no number on the dice which is greater than 7. It means the favorable outcome in this particular case will be 0 and this event will be impossible event. And for sure event, the question asked what is the probability of a number getting less than 7. It means every number on the dice is less than 7. So the favorable outcome will be 6 and total outcome will also be 6. It means 6 upon 6. The probability is 1. So it is sure event. Thank you and have a nice day. I think you all have enjoyed it and thank you.